Cooking with Jamie and Christian. This is how you use a food processor.
This is the wrong way. See, does it go in? No,
What?
No, it doesn't
What's the
fit.
matter?
It's backwards. The right way.
Oh, Christian, what else is necessary in cooking? So then what else is necessary is pickles and what else? Tequila. That's a girl. And what are we making? What are we making?
Making a Halloween-like type chocolate sweet potato confection.
And then we're gonna go over here.
This is the product.
That is
Awesome bullshit right there.
oh my god! Oh my god, a text message! Wait, where are you going? Okay, hold on. So Chris, what's the matter with the food processor? No, wait, what's wrong with it though? Like, that plug right there?
I asked you. Did not this say it's plugged?
The plug that goes into the
I'm like, is it plugged in?
the 5,000
Now.
Christmas vacation. Yeah, girl. And that's necessary for cooking too.
Make sure you shake it up.
Well, what's happening?
Oh, white booger. Oh,
Wait,
we're gone.
Boing, 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 boing.
Boing, and embarrassed. Awkward.
So, in
Nope.
conclusion,
Yeah. You want to have my baby? What? Nom 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 nom. Cupcake. Not very convincing.
it's actually pretty good.
Sweet potato.
So, join us next time with Ghetto in the Kitchen with Christian and Jamie. Have a good night, y'all. Bangin'! Oh, hi. So, now it's time to put the cupcake things in the thing with the stuff. So this is what we do.
You cut the cheese.
According to my father, the cheese. I'm really gonna do this really sexy. Ready? Sha-na-na-na. Yeah. Yeah.
Totally not filming
So,
cupcake lids.
I don't even know what you're doing. I don't have any boobs, so you're gonna miss that. Well, anyway, so that's how we put the things in the stuff with the thing. Oh. That's Crunk Ghetto popcorn. And then we're just gonna go do some more cooking, but... Oh, hey, Dad! Like, little popcorn there? Got a little popcorn. Alright, that's gross. And then, we're gonna just go over here and start cooking again, but...
Oh, hey.
Hey. No, it's gotta be more ghetto than that. Yeah, you know, it's cool. We're just gonna go over here and do a little more cooking. Over in the ghetto kitchen. And we're just gonna... What the fuck are you doing? Oh! That's an outtake. Look at that pickle on the ground. That's ground pickle.
I lost my pickle.
You ground pickled.
Lost my pickle. Oh shit.
She's like ground shit pickles. You shit pickled. She did. She shit pickled. Look at that shit. You're a shit pickler. You take shits on pickles. Alright. Okay. Cool. Hey y'all. How would you grill? Upper West Haven bullshit. So we will peel, right? Like hide the shit, stash. We gotta get the shiny side though. Is it real shiny side? Not so shiny side? So shiny side out.
Shiny side.
Shiny side. Gotta get this shit right. Go. Now get ready, Pops. Go. And then you gotta grill. You gotta roll that shit in your teeth. So it looks like that shit was real. Yeah, you're getting fucking whack. Now, you're gonna be the cook. And I'm gonna be the bitch. So you're gonna wear this.
You better start stepping, yo. How much it up, bitch?
She's wearing some snap it hip. So now your name ain't Christian no more. It's K-Dog.
Shanana.
My name for the rest of the night's gonna be Shanana. So anyway, for the rest of the night, my name's gonna be Shana. Ow! Your fucking ass and your neck just hit my head with your neck.
That's some good ass shit right there.
No, for real. For the rest of the night, you got to look here in the built-in eyesight.
I have.
And then you got to get real crunk ghetto. Real crunk ghetto.
Yo.
You gotta stop looking at yourself, girl.
She's gone. It can't affect me no more. My grill.
Yo, my bitch being ghetto. Alright, you need to help me make my apron.
Bitch, what?
No! Make my shit.
What do you want me to do?
Alright, we'll make an apron.
Oh, I'm gonna wipe your hair in there.
This is how you make a ghetto apron. I'm buying shoes for school. I'm buying shoes for school.
We are still gonna be an MB.
Now we're gonna do some bacon. Precious! Precious! Come here, you stupid dog! Precious! Precious! Fucker. Ooh, 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 ooh. fuck me? You wanna fuck me? You wanna? You gotta tuck. You gotta tuck. Tuck that shit. Do this. Are you not having fun with me anymore? I guess it's having fun. You're trying to make more fucking cupcakes. I think we need more lighting, girl. How's that? Wait, hold on.
Girlfriend.
Yeah.
Your shit falling apart. You need to go to Burlington.
Come back to me.
Shit, I'm just saying. Burlington got some cheap ass shit, yo. I got me some heels from there to make my booty look. Well, why are you looking at me like that? Listen, your shit's falling apart.
Hulk Hogan in this house. Yo, I think we need to actually film some shit. No, wait. No,
wait.
What?
Shit, you got some shit stuck to your shoe.
Like shits? For real shits?
I don't know, you just came out of the
No, but I mean, like, what are we gonna do? We need to actually, like, finish this show. So,
first of all, we need to wash our hands. Before we do any kind of baking.
Yeah, you wash your hands, girl. Yeah, you wash them hands. Wash them hands in my mouth. You're a hand washer. You
use some super hot water.
What? That's you're gonna break something like your vagina.
And you need to be like drying some shit off. And
But
then, shit. And
so how about we close out the show by saying we made some crunk bullshit,
doof shit.
West Haven, sweet potato, West Side cupcake.
They were some good ass shit. They were blazing.
Girl, you gotta stop looking at yourself.
I'm not looking at myself. I'm looking at
You look right there. You ain't looking at me. Because I'm looking right here.
I'm right here.
And then you looking up there.
No,
and here,
I'm
and then
looking,
there.
when I'm looking right here, you tell me to look up here. I gotta look up here.
You know what?
Where do you want me to look? Where do you want me to look? Bitch, you think you own shit.
You know what?
Everything.
All I gotta say, it's a
You
good
got
thing.
Everything.
It's a good thing.
You
Ain't got.
Keep saying your shit. Keep saying your shit.
I will.
Because I know you're saying it to the computer, but
Wait,
you ain't saying it to my
wait.
face.
Just stop.
Keep saying it.
It's a good thing you don't got eyes on your ass.
I got eyes on my shoulders. You keep saying that shit to the computer. You ain't saying it to my face, bitch.
That's because your face is
Don't even go there.
It's like facing the other.
Skinny ass bitch.
It's facing the other way.
Is it really?
Yeah. Okay. Well, anyways, we're gonna say goodnight, y'all. We gonna drink our coffee. Fuck that shit, man. We drinking motherfucking tequila. Anyhow, okay. Good night, girl. Another good show. Right? Piss in this shit. Piss in this shit. Right?